After pasteurization, the hot containers move through a cascading cooling tunnel. Cold water sprays gradually lower their temperature.
Measuring the brine pH to ensure safety, they also test salinity with a refractometer, critical data points for the pickles.
Dishes. The lab also runs microbial tests, swabbing equipment surfaces and plating samples on agar dishes.
The spent brine is pumped into a recovery system where it's filtered, rebalanced for acidity and salt, and blended with fresh ingredients to be used again.
Grills. The factory's wastewater treatment plant is shown. Water from washing and cooling is channeled here, passed through
The vinegar storage area. Massive tanks hold different types. Distilled white for clarity. Apple cider for flavor.
By monitoring these temperature time curves on the retort control panel, we ensure the thermal process is precise.
The packaging material storage. Towering rolls of jar lids, stacks of glass jars and pallets of cardboard.
The invisible work of the lactobacillus culture is the start of a massive process.
Swing it wide and bring it in shallow. That plastic wrap is loose.
Listen to that pop.
That is so crunchy.
I love it.
jar passes through a sensitive detector. A rejection triggers an alarm and automatically removes the affected jar from the line.
Perfect. The batch is released.
Great job, everyone. We did it.
As you can see, the Q3 quality metrics dipped below target.
Yeah. Was that localized to the new cucumber batch?
But we've adjusted. Yes, but we've...
The key is the curvature. Too straight, it won't ferment right. This one, however, is perfect for the whole line.
The application of a gluten-free or kosher certification seal onto the label, a critical step for market access and consumer trust.
The distinct aroma in different parts of the factory, the grassy smell at intake, the sharp vinegar tang in the brining area.
Watch that corner, bring it left. Setting this one down now, clear the path for the next run.
A unique identifier that can trace this specific jar of pickles back to its batch, shift, and even production line.
We finally got that line running smoothly. I am beat.
Yeah, me too. Let's get out of here.
This time temperature profile ensures
The ultimate purpose of the entire industrial process realized in a moment of simple pleasure.
Look at the coloration on this leaf. Are we seeing early signs of deficiency here?
No, I think that falls within the acceptable variation for this hybrid.
Pickles. The building stands as a temple of transformation, perpetually turning cucumbers into pickles.